Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. Well, I'm not sure if this is actually going to get into a video. Today I'm going to go and pitch some Malaysian companies about sponsorship for the tuk-tuk thing. So hopefully I'll have some luck and this will get into the videos. Cross your fingers for me guys, send some good luck back to the past. Let's hope that I can make this a reality. Oh, again guys, wish me luck. I'm at the Batik corporate office. Everyone's just out here having a cigarette. I should have spoken to someone then, but I wasn't ready. Keep your fingers crossed for me guys, this could be life-changing. Well, my meeting with Batik was very exciting. Like, he can't promise anything, it's not his decision, but I've got his vote. And that's the thing guys, it's my enthusiasm and excitement that sells the product. Where people that I'm dealing with by email and originally, it's the guys that have been following me for a while know, I originally had was going to do this with Bajaj Autos, the Indian company. I'm glad I'm going with Saskar, but they were very, very excited when they met me, but as time went on and we were just dealing backwards and forwards through emails, they kind of lost that excitement. So hopefully the guy I met with today will be just, his excitement will be just as infectious as mine, because I want this to happen. I'm sitting waiting now. Malaysian Airlines is upstairs from here. I've got to go back there in about half an hour. Guys, I want this to happen. I want this to happen. And so does a deal at Saskar. Fingers crossed. Well, I probably should explain what all this tuk-tuk stuff's about for the people that haven't been following me. A Pakistani engineering company is going to build a tuk-tuk that I designed, a camper van style thing, and fold down to a bed at night time. It'll have a little kitchen in the back, solar panels and things, and they'll supply all the parts I need wherever I need them. They'll courier them to wherever I am, and if it's a major breakdown they'll send their own mechanic, and they'll do all this at their expense. And we want to smash the current world record for the longest tuk-tuk journey ever. The current world record is 42,120. The current Guinness World Record, and why they're different I don't know, but the current Guinness World Record is 37,410. I want to do about 120,000 and smash the record, make it pretty much unbeatable. But right now we're just searching for sponsors for travel costs and things. Guys, if you know anyone, get them to give me a message. But yeah, I really want to make this happen. Sorry guys, I haven't been on film much the last day, or just yesterday actually, but I've just been trying to get information on getting my transit card into Singapore. When I get to Singapore, I'm not even sure if I can get to Indonesia from there, but we'll find out when we get there. I could look into it now, but that's no fun. Because I want to go to Singapore anyway, I love that city. We'll ride down there in the next few days, and going to get some insurance today, because I've got to have third-party insurance for Singapore, so I can get that here. Then yeah, I just wanted to talk now guys. What a beautiful day. Look at the sun up there glaring in the thing. What an amazing morning. I've just had breakfast, sitting here watching the world go by. What a life I get to lead. Oh gosh, I'm going a little bit insane. I need third-party insurance to get an auto pass card for Singapore, which is fair enough. You need third-party insurance anywhere, and you're a bit stupid riding without it, because if you have an accident, you hurt someone, you're in awful sorts of trouble. But nobody can give me any information. And just across the road here you can see Hong Long Bank, and at the top you see Piam. Well, Piam is the agents for the General Insurance Association, and in the Auto Pass card website it links the GIA, and I just went in there, nothing guys. They wouldn't even give me information, and it's sorry guys, but they're all Indians working in there, and Indian people, and I apologise, I love India, but they all tend to give you an answer that they think you want, to the question they think you're answering. They're not actually answering your question. Oh gosh, it's driving me a little bit mad. Well guys, I've been in KL about a week, and most of that time, well, the interview with Batik and Malaysian Airlines, that was one day, but the rest of the time I've been trying to organise an auto pass card into Singapore. I got sick of the work, so here I am at Klang. This is the port. We're maybe half an hour, maybe an hour out of KL. And she's going on a ship on Monday. It's Friday today, Thursday today. She's going on the ship on Monday. I'll fly to Indonesia on Tuesday. I was hoping I could travel with the ship, but with the boat, and it's not, she doesn't have to be pulled apart like on other ones. It's just they ride her on and ride her off. Oh, actually that's a question I've got to ask. Yeah, so we're leaving on Friday, so Friday, on Monday, so Tuesday I'll be in Indonesia, guys. I'm excited. Oh, sorry guys, these have to go on. It's hot, I mean bright. Yeah, so tomorrow also, if the guys that have been following the channel for a while will remember, all over India, Nepal, Pakistan, I carried my tyres from Australia. Originally I had 80/20 tyres on here, Dunlop 606s, but you needed some good stopping power in India. Everyone was trying to kill me, so I put these road tyres on, and I carried the 80/20s, the off-road tyres with me everywhere, and I left them with Sunny Cycles when I got some work done before I went up north. As you can see, these ones are on their last legs, so I'm booked into Sunny Cycles tomorrow morning, so Friday we'll get the new tyres put on, we'll get her a full service, a couple other little things done, then it's Indonesia, guys. Yeehaw. And guys, we're back at Sunny Cycle. Oh, they're taking her in already. As I said, she's getting the tyres put on, getting the service done. It shouldn't be too expensive because I've supplied the tyres and I've supplied the oil filter. And they reckon it'll be about an hour's work, so I haven't had breakfast. I purposely didn't have breakfast. It's 10 o'clock in the morning, so you can imagine how hungry I am. So I'm going to go up the road here to the restaurant I ate at before. Really nice restaurant. Well, very good anyway, I liked it. This is where I stayed last time, if you remember. Up in the capsule, the coffin. That was an experience. But yes, so now we're just going to go and wait, eat breakfast, do a bit of Netflixing, then go and pick her up. Well guys, this is the chicken rice shop. I like eating here when I feel like something light. It's got a bit of chicken rice, very Singaporean meal, even though we're in KL. Look at this, just beautiful white meat, all of it. But here you pay extra to get a drumstick, so it's the brown meat that's more popular. I'm happy with this. Look at that, guys. It's beautiful white meat, and it is delicious. And I'm just going for some breakfast, and then we're taking Libby to the freight company to put her on a ship to Tanjung Balai. I think that's how you say it. Sumatra. I fly to Medan. It's the only airport, and then I get the train to Tanjung Balai tomorrow. Well, I fly tomorrow as well. And Libby will be ready and waiting, hopefully all the paperwork done and everything, Wednesday morning. It was really, yeah, well, here she is all ready for the boat. This is the freight warehouse. You can see all the gears on there. I've got a, online friend. He's a Spanish guy that's riding from Australia back to Spain, and he used this company, and he left all his gear on the bike. He told me it was perfectly safe. These guys promised me, they said, Paul, nothing will get stolen with us, it's our reputation. So I've got most of my stuff up there on there, all the camera gear and everything. I've got with me, but all the tools, all my clothes, everything. I'm just taking a couple of clean shirts because I'll see her on Wednesday. It's Monday today. And she's all ready for the ship. Well, it's more of a boat. I'll ask my friend Tony if I can use the clip of him loading, because he actually rode onto the boat in Indonesia. You'll see, it's not really, it's like something out of Gilligan's Island or something. Anyway guys, I'm excited. Going to Indo, riding through Indonesia, riding through Sumatra. I've never been to Sumatra before, so this will be a first. Hey guys, you remember Peter from the guided tour of Kuala Lumpur video in 2022, so nearly 2 years ago now. Anyway, that was the easiest I've ever had to deal with customs. With all the times I've had my carnet stamped in this last year, that was the easiest. They just took one look, signed all the paperwork, stamped it, and the guy was out of there. So she's all ready to go. Tomorrow morning Peter picks me up at 4:30 in the morning. I go to the airport and I leave here at 8:30 in the morning, and I arrive in Bandar in Sumatra at 8:30 in the morning, but I also lose an hour, so it's an hour's flight. Anyway, I'm excited guys to get out on some rough roads again. I'm excited. Well guys, I've got plenty of footage to make a video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.